Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Why are you laughing?
I'm beginning to laugh, that is why.
Okay.
So, this vlog is going to be about us, me, my sister, my mother, and my father going to Akkalkot. We are going to Akkalkot. So, right now it is 10:30. We have to leave right now. 11:20 we have a train from Thane, Siddheshwar Express, and I think around 6 o'clock, na Dada, we'll reach. Around 6 o'clock we'll reach Solapur, and then from there by road we'll go to Akkalkot. Fortunately, tomorrow is the Prakat Din, which we didn't know.
Fortunately,
So, yeah, fortunately.
Fortunately,
Yeah, fortunately. So, good timing we are going. So now let's go. Yes, so this is our room in Bhakta Niwas. This is a mirror, seating area. This is the bed. It's a small, decent room. This is a bathroom. It's clean. How many ever people stay? It is 1,500 only. They take it room wise. They take the money room wise and not person wise. It's decent. This is a non-AC room. I think up there are AC rooms. And I feel here there is drinking water. Here you can fill water. We are all freshened up and dressed up to go to the temple. We are going to the Math. Swami Samartha Math. We got scammed today. I'll tell you all about it later when we come. Aram se I'll tell you all. This is a Bhakta Niwas, this whole area, which you all can see. We have a car parking area also, dedicated car parking area. It's just a 1-2 minutes walk from the Bhakta Niwas, from where we were staying. And from Bhakta Niwas to the Math, it is a 10 minutes walk, I guess so. 10 to 15 minutes walk. You can go by rickshaw also. There are rickshaws. Oh, that lady has given us the information that we can go from here also. From this car parking area. You all can see this queue thing, but this is not the darshan line. This is the eating, what is that, what do you call it? The bhandara sort of line. The main darshan line is in front. Ask before you stand in the queue.
A few moments later.
Watermelon stop by. Shrek. From here we took the exit. We just finished taking the darshan. Now we are going to the Samadhi Mutt. We took darshan. It was not so crowded, but it was not well managed. People are pushing like anything. It was not at all crowded. We finished our darshan in maybe 10 to 15 minutes max. 15 to 20 minutes max. The direct darshan had started from 2 a.m. today, so it was not crowded, but they are not able to manage it well. Now we are going to the Samadhi Mutt. One lady, I went to look in the camera and I went to bow my head and she pushed me like this. What? It's their job. Everyone has to take darshan, so they have to do that.
A few moments later.
Tell them how we came, what is the cost, do bargaining from station to the hotel. Tell them.
From Mumbai, we reach Solapur station at sharp 6:45 a.m. Then we'll get down from Solapur station. Then we search for bus stand.
Speak little louder.
We're searching for bus stand to go Akkalkot. But from Solapur station to that bus stand is 3 kilometers away. So
We took
rickshaw and we took rickshaw. That fellow is selling 20 rupees per person. Then we think okay. So we took the auto.
And he left us at the bus stand. And then there are many buses there to go to Akkalkot. So from Solapur bus stand to Akkalkot it is 1 hour distance.
1 hour distance, yeah.
So then off for ST. You will
But
get a
auto fellow is selling, he's taking 200 per person.
200.
200 person. So we are 4. That is the budget is 800.
800.
But
It's too expensive.
too expensive. But we don't buy
ST.
ST. That is almost 180 because with us 3 girls and
One you.
one
For girls, how much ticket?
that
Ladies?
half ticket.
Half ticket.
Ladies for ladies half ticket. Okay.
And for y'all, full. And what is the price?
Full the price is I think 75, 70.
Okay. So then what do the math? So then that is very much cheaper, son. Required to go by rickshaw. They're saving money now. So it's okay.
And people can stand outside Solapur station also because the ST bus came from depot there also. And
Acha.
it's moved to Akkalkot. But
We
there
didn't
is one problem. You are not get seats to sit.
Okay.
Because that our distance is 1 hour. Distance is 1 hour. So our opinion is that to go
ST stand.
ST stand.
So that I will get to sit.
Sit.
गर्दी किती आहे?
1 hour later.
So we didn't go to the Samadhi Mutt because it was crowded and the queue was too long. It was very hot. It is very hot. So we can't stand there for so much time. We asked someone, they said they had to wait 2 to 3 hours to get inside the mutt, and we don't have so much patience. So from outside only we took blessings and we went for lunch, and now we are come to our stay, to our hotel.
A few hours later.
So talking about the scam, yesterday Shreya, she was looking through some online sites for the hotel booking. She found one. What was the site's name, Shreya? Bhakti Niwas Akkalkot. Okay, so the site's name was Bhakti Niwas Akkalkot, and she clicked on that site and all, and she got a phone number. So then she typed the phone number, and someone picked up. So it was nothing suspicious. It was feeling normal only. And then that fellow, he started saying that you'll have to do advance booking only, and you'll have to give full payment. So then we were feeling it normal because the site also was nothing was suspicious in that site. She went ahead. She called that guy. He sent a QR code. So we didn't make the payment by QR code because the timing was out for the QR code. Then later, he sent his bank details. So then I was making the payment. So when I put all his numbers and all, then there the account payee number, like the account payee name comes on if you do bank transfer. Then there Ganesh Singh karke, that pay's name was Ganesh Singh. So then I again called back and asked Shreya that whether this is the guy only. So then again she called that fellow and he said, yeah, in this account only you have to send money. What?
The name came Ganesh Singh.
Ganesh Singh.
Not Timothy.
Not Bhakta Nivas. Okay. So then please check that it shouldn't go to anyone's personal account and it should go to, like, the name should be Bhakta Nivas Akkalkot.
No, but all that is not there.
But that we understood today. So then next day we came, today we came here and then we asked that reception guy that we have done a booking. He said that we don't accept any online bookings here and we don't even ask for any online advance. We don't even accept advance payment. So then after that then we were finding it very suspicious and we called that guy. It was ringing, his phone was ringing. Even if I call, even if Shreya calls, anyone calls, his phone is still ringing. I'll pop up his number on the screen. So then we called him and then after that then for a few minutes he spoke, you'll come to A block and all. Suddenly he cut the call and then when again Shreya was trying, she was coordinating, no? So then he, of course, then he noted down her number. So then after that he stopped picking her a call. So then I called after that. Again then he picked up my call. Then even I asked him the same question that we have come here, where are you? Karke, aisa. Then again all these conversations happened and then again he stopped picking up the call. So and one more family was there here. Same scam happened with them, but only good thing is that didn't make any payment. He had sent all his details and all, but he had not done any advance payment. So his money got saved. Our 1,500 rupees went. So please make sure that you don't fall into all these scams. So the receptionist guy told us that there are a lot of scams this way. It happens here always. So he has strictly told that there is no online booking to come to book a stay over here, and they don't even accept any advance payment. Whatever it is, you have to come here and then they will provide you a room. So be careful. Here at the parking area there is Tulja Bhavani Eyes Mandir also. So we visited that too. I'll insert the clips. Now again we are going back to we'll leave in some time. Our train is at 10:30, but it's better to go early because we don't know the ST timings here. So we'll leave early. Okay. Reached Solapur station. What is the time, Uma, now?
8:30.
8:30. It's 8:30.
Exactly 1 hour.
Exactly 1 hour. Yeah, it's dark.
1 hour later.
We are done with our dinner. We had dinner in Amantran. It was good. Everything was good. No complaints. Now we are heading towards the station. Solapur station. 10:30 is our train. We have, I think, around half an hour to 45 minutes. Okay. Bye. Should I end this vlog right here? There's nothing because now. Okay, I'm ending this vlog right here. So if you have enjoyed watching this vlog, please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Until next time.